In this short video, we'll be discussing negative gerunds. So any and all gerunds can be made negative in a sentence. It's pretty simple to make a gerund negative. We just add not in front of the gerund or the gerund phrase. So for example, not studying is a common problem for many students. We have the gerund studying. We want to make it negative. We just add not in front of it. We can do the same thing for gerund phrases. For example, not studying for an exam is a bad idea. We start with the gerund phrase studying for an exam. We want to make it negative. We just add not in front of it. And this is possible for gerunds in any location in the sentence. It doesn't matter if it's a subject or if it's an object. As in this example right here, the student regrets not studying for the final exam. We have a gerund phrase, studying for the final exam. We want to make it negative. We just add not in front of it. Some of the common errors that come up with negative gerunds often. Let's take a look at some of them. If we look at this sentence, do not do homework will affect the student's grade. First of all, we have a base stem of the verb in the subject position. We can't do that. We need to have a gerund form. So we can fix this by taking off the do and then adding ing to the base stem of the verb to make it a gerund. So we come up with the sentence that's correct. Not doing homework will affect the student's grade. Let's look at another example. We read this sentence, he worries about do not sleeping enough before the test. In this case, we have a gerund, but we also have a do in front of the not. This is not possible in English sentence structure. So the way to correct this, we just take out the do, we just leave the not by itself, and we have the corrected sentence, he worries about not sleeping enough before the test. And that's just a little bit about negative gerunds.